Dear students, in this video we can try another output question. String 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD. So str1 is a string that contains the value 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD, and we have to give the indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now rstr1, that is a variable. It is having null value. That means it is an empty string. There is no value, so it is an empty string. Index equal to length of string 1. Length of string 1 means number of characters present in string 1. There are 8 characters. So index is having the value 8. Now it is a while loop. Index is greater than 0. That is 8 is greater than 0. 8 is greater than 0. If the condition is true, we have to come inside the loop. Inside the loop, we can see an if condition. See here, str1 of index minus 1. What is the index value? 8. The value of index is 8. So 8 minus 1, it is 7. Dot is alpha. So string 1 of 7 is an alphabet. The condition is true. If the condition is true, we have to execute the statements related to it. That is, to this rstr1, we have to concatenate string 1 index minus 1. Index is 8. 8 minus 1, that is 7. We have to concatenate d string 1. Okay, it is str1 of 7 to rstr1. So we are joining d. So in rstr1 we are having d. Again, index equal to index minus 1. 8 minus 1, it is 7. So now index refers to the value 7. Index refers to the value 7. Again, we will go back to the loop. Now the next value of index is 7. So 7 greater than 0. 7 greater than 0, condition true. So again, we have to check the condition. str1 of 7 minus 1 is alpha. 7 minus 1 means 6. That is C. It is an alphabet. So the condition is true. If the condition is true, what we have to do? We have to concatenate str1 of index minus 1. That is 7 minus 1 to rstr1. So in rstr1, we are having rstr1 of 7 minus 1. That is 6. That is C. We have to concatenate C to the string rstr1. C is joined here. Again, we will perform the statement index equal to index minus 1. That is 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, that 6. Now index refers to the value 6. Again, we will check 6 is greater than 0. The condition is true. Will come inside the loop. Then inside the loop, we are having an if condition. Then we will check the if condition. String 1 of index is 6. 6 minus 1 dot is alpha. 6 minus 1 is 5. We have to check string 1 of 5. That is B. It is an alphabet. The condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to concatenate to rstr1 string 1 of 6 minus 1. That is 5. We have to concatenate string 1 of 5. That is B to rstr1. So in rstr1, we are having the value B. Again, index equal to index minus 1. 6 minus 1, the value of index is 5. Now, it refers to the value 5. Again, we will check the condition 5 is greater than 0. The condition is true. Then we are coming inside the loop. There is an if condition. str1 of index, the value of index is 5. 5 minus 1 is alpha. 5 minus 1 is 4. str1 of 4 is an alphabet. Condition is true. So we have to perform this statement. So what we have to do? We have to concatenate string 1 of 5 minus 1. That is 4. to rstr1. What is 4? String 1 of 4, 8. We have concatenated A to rstr1. Again, we will perform this statement. 6 minus 1 is 5. Now the index value is 5. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Now index refers to the value 4. We are going back to the loop and we will check 4 is greater than 0. The condition is true. If the 4 is greater than 0, you have to check this condition. If string 1 of 4 minus 1 is alpha, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now string 1 of 3, the value is 4. It is not an alphabet. So condition false, we will not execute this statement. So outside if condition, index equal to index minus 1 is there. We have to execute this. So now the index value is 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Again, we will go back to the loop and we will check the condition 3 is greater than 0. The condition is true. Then again, we will check string 1 of 3 minus 1 dot is alpha. So string 1 of 2, the value is 3. 3 is not an alphabet. So we will not execute this statement. We will come here. It is outside if condition. Index equal to index minus 1. Now the value of index is 3. Then we will write 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, the value is 2. Now index is refers to the value 2. Again, we will go back to the loop. We will check 2 is greater than 0. The condition is true. Again, we will come inside the loop. We will check this condition. If str1 of 2 minus 1 is alpha. 2 minus 1 is 1. str1 of 1, that is 2. It is not an alphabet, it is a digit. So we will not execute the statements. We will come here. Index equal to index minus 1. Now the value of index is 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1. The value of index is 1 now. Again, we will go back to the loop. 1 and we will check the condition 1 is greater than 0. Condition true. Again, we will check string 1 of 1 minus 1. That is string 1 of 0. That is not an alphabet, it is a digit. So this statement will not get executed. We will again perform this statement. Index equal to index minus 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Again, we will go back to the loop. We will check the condition 0 greater than 0. The condition is false. So we will come out of the loop. Now outside the loop, there is a print statement, print rstr1. So the output is, in rstr1, we are having DCBA. So this is the output. In this way, we can calculate the output.